All right, what's up, YouTube? Well, I wasn't gonna make a video about this, but I thought, you know what, why not? It's a brand new product, just came out. So the reason I got this because my wife usually uses the Alex A's over there at her little work, and I don't know, she just said that she's kind of tired of using that thing and she wants her out of her life, I guess. So I was like, well, I'm gonna have to get you a Bluetooth speaker. So I ended up picking this up. This is a Soundcore, Soundcore Motion 300. Now, I've never owned a Soundcore product or anything, but this is supposed to be waterproof. You know, it says it has 30 watts stereo sound, 13 hours of playtime. I'm not even sure exactly what comes in this box, so I figured I would just do a little unboxing real quick and then maybe just a little sound preview. So I don't know. People say that these things are pretty good, so I guess we're gonna find out. So let's see if we can get this thing open. This plastic is tougher than it looks. All right, let's discard that. Looks like this is a sleeve, I'm guessing. Maybe. No, it's not. So it opens here. All right, well, let's see. I guess it just pops out of here. So looks like it's just the unit. It does come with a charge cable. Okay, so I was kind of curious about that, like if this was gonna come with a brick, but it doesn't. It just comes with the USB-C cord. So apparently I'm gonna have to provide my own charging brick. But I guess in today's world, Apple started that trend. I guess you could thank them, right? But anyways, here we go. So it's just the unit, a USB-C cord, a small one, and the little instruction manual, and that's about it. I mean, you really don't get too much. I got this. I got it just on the Amazon thing. Actually, no, I didn't. I bought it before that. They had a $15 discount thing or whatever. So that's, I figured, what the heck. The last product they came out with had some pretty good reviews. It's pretty hefty. It's got some nice weight to it. It feels premium. This part right here feels like super smooth. I don't know if that's good or bad. I feel like it could slip out of your hand. But she got power, Bluetooth, bass, and then I don't think that's anything. And then plus or minus, plus, play, pause. And then it comes with this little strap that I believe is removable. But anyway, so I'm going to get this. I believe this has an app too. Oh, on this side, it does have a, this is where you charge it. So it has, it's water resistant. Let me see. I think it says it on the box. I didn't mention that, but it's IPX7 waterproof. That says waterproof. That's not water resistant, it's waterproof. So anyways, quick unboxing. You don't get a charging brick. So if you're wondering if you get a charging brick with this, you don't. But let's get this set up, get some sound on it, and see if I'm impressed or not. All right, what's up, YouTube? So we're here. We're at the studio. Figured, you know what? Why not just check it here? And of course, my dog decides to hack something up. All right, so back to the video. So anyway, so I'm just gonna play some music that I have here, and some of the stuffs I always play, but and we're just gonna see how it sounds. I got the mic set up, and we're gonna go through. We'll do a couple of different volumes. Basically, I'm gonna do this video like as if somebody, just an average person, just pulls it out of the box. They bought a Bluetooth speaker. They're gonna throw it on. They're not gonna. I did download the app, but they're not gonna mess with the app. They're not gonna do none of that stuff. They're just going to turn it on, hook it up, Bluetooth, and then just start playing. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I noticed that if you press the bass button, it lights up to tell you it's on. I guess that's supposed to add bass. To be honest with you, I couldn't really tell the difference. The music is kind of loud though, maybe at lower volumes. I don't know, but let's keep going. We're about half volume.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at I knew you were the one when you walked through the door and stepped behind the bar. My jaw was on the floor when I took you to a movie. You told me this: I'm never getting married, you're not getting kissed. Christina, we proved the universe wrong against all the odds. Vegas would have said, don't bet on us, it's a 1 in a million shot. Even my friend told me.
All right, so I believe if you put this thing on its back, it's supposed to do something to sound different. I'm gonna go back through some of the songs and let's see what happens.
At Sequoia that night, you'll never end up with her. Yeah, but he was wrong when he said nobody gets the bartender. Who could have guessed that it would be true? 4 years later, you'd ask me to marry you, and now we've built a life.
All right, well, I don't know. Maybe it does something different. Maybe it doesn't. You know what? I'm just for the giggles. I'm gonna play this bass song. Let's see what happens. I doubt it's gonna play it. bass is coming through. All right. Anyway, so there you go. I don't know. Maybe there's some adjustments you could do with the app and this and that. But I was just throwing this together real quick. I'm gonna be honest with you. This thing sounds really good, and I don't know how it's gonna sound on these mics. Because I really didn't do any testing at all. I just kind of threw it together, so I didn't want to go full blast. But when I put it at full volume, I didn't really take time to test those mics on clipping, but I really didn't get any distortion. So, I mean, I don't know, man. It sounds pretty good. I think I paid like $65 for it. It's supposed to be 13-hour battery, I believe. It feels premium. So, I mean, overall, I know my wife's gonna like it. I'm sure she's used to that dumb Alexa. Oh, I gotta be careful saying that. But she's used to that little tiny dot speaker, which is nothing. So this is gonna be, much better for her and her little workspace. It's honestly probably too much. But anyways, I just wanted to throw this little video together real quick. It's a brand new speaker that just came out. I just got it like a day or two ago, and I mean, seems pretty premium. Maybe I'll do a little sound test next to my DeWalt Bluetooth speakers that I built, because I mean, I pay less for that, but I don't know. Maybe if I get bored, I'll do something like that. Anyways, there's the end of this video. This is a Soundcore 300M or something like that. But check it out.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. You break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Redemption never came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread with the angels. Fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment, cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. They say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, but they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, something